the United News of India, we have a headlines. The headlines reads this: Japanese team arrives in Manipur to enhance ties. The focus is ties. So we are very much interested, and we know that the Japanese are, they have a different sense of patriotism and nationalism. So what can we learn from these Japanese?
See, I'll tell you one thing, okay? Two things I want to remind you. One is the Japanese had invested a huge amount of money in the sericulture project,
All right.
which already fell. Okay. Second is the Japanese had also invested in me during Corona. There's one Japanese company, 𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗧𝗔 𝗡𝗛, through 𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗧𝗔.
Okay.
There's one 𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗧𝗔. The embassies had a very good relation with the Meitei people, particularly Manipur, not about Meitei. Okay. So they have during Corona there was a farm investment of 5 lakhs, which we distributed among various farmers. We made a distribution of 10 lakhs, 10,000 rupees each to various farmers, so that they can grow their crops. It can be a financial help during the Corona period. Okay. And we asked them to return in the model of crops, so that we can sell it and recover the money. But none of the money, except few people, have returned that money. And even today also I'm in debt. That is point number one.
Okay.
The Japanese has a very goodwill within the within Manipur, because it was on the Manipur sector that they had to return. They are even today also they are being pained why they are still studying why the INA and the Japanese army was not able to cross Manipur. What was the terrain? What was the situation at that time? Why did Japan move back? Why the food and supplies were not given? So it is Manipur is a place. Burma, Myanmar, and Manipur is a place where it is attached with them through their heart and ancestral people who came and fought during the Second World War. Okay. So now, if we take it as a positive note, we have to give a proper return. We have to learn to give proper return to whatever investment we get. So most of the time, mission project or investment FDIs and other things are not considered into considered into a model of investment where we have to return through return the money or through return the investment through some sort of development. If we are getting some money from a foreign entity, then we have to show them that yes, this money has been invested on this project, and yes, our people are developing. Only then they will be happy to reinvest on such things. G20 summit was one such incident where the chief minister announced that thousands of dollars, some hundreds of dollars were supposed to be invested by one American company, which never happened. You see, and the second thing is that to get an investment, we have to be technically sound. Technically sound in the sense we have our papers, whatever things we are doing. For instance, the Indian government has changed the model of investment and the model of financial sanction so many times that today, if some kind of some funds which has been invested for the development of the state through any agency, through any department, if you are not able to utilize it on time, the fund either returns to the center or it is being paid with interest. So in agriculture department, horticulture department, fisheries, even the PMGSY, I mean this thing, the development of road projects in the rural areas have been stuck for last 2-3 years. So in such a condition, how do we convince an embassy or foreign investment to come back to Manipur and have a clear vision of what we are going to do and how we are going to do? If you look at the road projects as well, recently going on presently going on this one rigid payment project is also an investment of foreign entity. ABD project is something somebody is investing in this project for the development of the state. So you have to give a proper return and you have to show that yes, we have utilized the money properly. So the corruption level in the state and the influential level, not only corruption, but the way of influencing engineers, the way of influencing farmers, the way of showing achievement in papers, not on the actual field, is one big hurdle which the investment company is going to face.
Thank you.